Next, we're going to take a look at the local or sub-coordinate system. Now, the goal of a local coordinate system is to create a coordinate system on the CMM that is created from measured features, and the origin, where all the datums converge to a single point, will be 0, 0, 0, and the XYZ axis orientation of the coordinate system will be based on the features that were used to create it. Just a little side note, the local coordinate system relies on the work views being set up. So let's go and take a look at this local coordinate system. So I have a new segment open, but it's the exact same features measured as the master coordinate system segment. If you recall, 0, 0, 0 of the CAD is way out in space and not on the part, which is why the XYZ nominals of the datum B circle are so far from 0, 0, 0. So let's make a local coordinate system and we'll see what happens. Picking the exact same 3 datum labels. Unlike the master coordinate system, you can see that the new local coordinate system is oriented to the features that were used to create it, including the X, Y, and Z directions. As a double check, let's put a new measurement on the datum B hole after the local coordinate system has been created and look at the XYZ nominals. So the local coordinate system placed 0, 0, 0 exactly where we expected, in the center of datum B on the datum A surface. Let's output this program and take a look at the code. Looking at the code where the local coordinate system is created, you can see that it uses the specified datums to set the coordinate system axes and origin.